How's it going, guys? More pranks. Okay, right, so Nathan put the challenge that I would never ever prank him, and today is the day. Today I'm gonna do a completion of pranks I'm gonna do on him today. He's gonna be coming to mine, and I think I'm gonna just destroy his ears with a blowhorn. This blowhorn right here. It's time to prank Nathan. Ah, my fucking ears. Round one. Alright, guys. So Nathan's just arrived, mate. Nathan's just arrived. It's time to get him. I'm just gonna tell him I'm doing a vlog.
Who is that?
Nathan. Nathan. I am doing a vlog. Say hello to my vlog.
How's it going, guys?
We're gonna be doing.
Mate, he smells like Islamic metal.
Nathan, what challenge do you wanna do? So Nathan is just setting up the camera.
Mate, I need to go home soon. It's almost 9 o'clock.
How's it going, guys? And today we're gonna be doing singing YouTuber impressions.
So let's hope this video does good and let's get into the fucking video, mate.
Aye man, let's get right into the video.
Mate, what the fuck are you doing? What is that?
What?
No,
What? It's a blowhorn, mate.
No, mate. Fuck off, man.
Where you going?
Are we shooting the video? I don't know. What are you doing?
We're shooting the video. Round 2. So at this point, I thought I should get a little bit more tactical. Nathan will never see it coming. I was wondering where I could hide it in the toilet. Yes, I got a perfect spot. Oh my god, Nathan will not spot the camera. The boy just walks in, he has no clue.
Aye, mate. I'll be in 5 minutes. What are you doing? Ah! Mate, man! Ah! Mate, man! What are you fucking doing? Mate, my dick's exposed.
Your wee chode,
Mate, my dick's exposed, mate. Talk shit.
Guys.
Mate, fuck off.
Wee chode.
Mate, my dick's bigger than yours.
Mate, as in a wee
I could have done a
white.
shit in your seat. I could have done a shit there.
A wee white chode.
Mate, shh.
He's washing his hands, right? I just heard him coming out the toilet. I could basically do a round 2.
Mate, what the fucking fuck, man?
Oh, mate.
I'll go there.
Oh, mate.
Come on. Bang my guitar for what?
Special rounds, fatality. Alright guys, so my brother's coming in. I'm gonna try what I tried on Nathan on my brother. Let's see how he reacts.
You can't do that.
Hey man, I've been waiting for so long.
Fucking dancing. And dude, he shot himself.
Oh man.
He shot himself.
How do you feel, mate? You've been exposed.
You've been exposed. You've been exposed.
Mate, he's been doing it to me all day.
I know, I've been doing it to him all day long, mate.
bastard.
So there you have it. That's how you prank your best friend. Please share, like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this prank. Thank you guys so much for the support, and a public video's coming soon. I'll catch you guys later. Haha. Peace.